Welcome to the unboxing and assembling video of the extra seat for the Cargo and e-Cargo Cruiser. Before we start, put your Cargo Cruiser in parking mode. The tools that are needed are a box cutter, a 10mm wrench, an M6 Allen key, and a drill with a 6mm drill bit. Oh, hi there! Nice to meet you! Okay, let's start by unboxing the extra seat and its fixing parts. Use a box cutter on its shortest level to avoid damaging the product. Cut the tape and open the box. Please, mind the environment and cycle all the packing material. Unfold and remove the plastic bag from the extra seat and get the fixing parts out of their sachet. First, drill one 6mm hole in one of the pre-drilled smaller holes per side of the box. Choose the front holes for more space for the rear seat. For now, we choose the rear holes. Next, grab the M6 Allen key and the 10mm wrench to loosen the middle bolts of the front flank on the right and left side of the box. Now gently put the extra seat inside of the box and align the top tube with the holes you just drilled. Hold on to the top tube and fasten it loosely through the pre-drilled holes by hand with a bolt and washer. Fasten the top tube tightly with the M6 Allen key on both sides. Align the bottom tube with the middle holes of the front flank, fasten both sides loosely by hand, and fasten tightly with the M6 Allen key. Check if the turbo cover fits and works like a charm, and you're ready to go. Simply tidy up your workspace and enjoy your new Johnny Loco extra seat for many miles of fun and comfort to come. Thanks for watching. See you next time.